Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Everton F.C.'s new stadium, and the reason why I'm starting here is because something that looked like this little over 12 months later now looks like this, and it's astonishing that, you know, how engineering can go. The construction of this has been unreal. So we'll start off at the south stands. You know what, I'll do my low sweep early, so I'll go, oh, let's get out the way of the officers. I'll do my low sweep with the stands early because comments are back, so I'm going to get into the comments. Okay, so let's do my slow sweep along the dock. You see, it's coming on in leaps and bounds now, this. That's a little, let's pull it back a touch more. That's better, I've got more in now. Oh. Let's take it up now to the required height that Everton wants. Get away from the seagulls as well, they don't like the zone. I'll get above these cranes, I'll be alright then. So yeah, I've got that done out the way nice and early. Just unreal how fast it's come along. From water to a football stadium. Let's get back and get more in. Yeah, so I said the comments are back now, so I'm going to start addressing the comments again. So the west stand is has had some work done to it since last year. So the east stand, and I'll tell you what, I'll get to the east stand in a bit. So when I said last week about it, you know, you can see it over the wall now. You really can see it over the wall now. It's come up even more. So let's have a nice sweep along here. Then I'll get to the comments. So I've been reliably informed when I said that the brickwork down there is fascia. It's not, it's actual brick. So yeah, thanks to everyone who corrected me on that. I say, that's what the comments are for. If I'm wrong, I'll open my hand up and say I'm wrong. I don't know a lot about the building work that goes into this, so the more information that you give me, the better. So yeah. Now, also, the next part of the roof truss is going to be going on the northeast stand. Okay, so when I said, so let me turn around, because the ironwork going in there, part of the truss is going up there. I thought maybe the next part of that, of the lift would be at that end. So half the north stands, half the south stands, but no, I've been told that the next part's going to be there because, to be fair, the support's already there to accommodate it. But as you can see over on the south stands, there's a blue support there as well, so that should be going up soon. Okay, let's have a good look at that truss. Try and go nice and slow, get it all in. But I don't want the video going on forever either, so yeah, you can see the brickwork down there as well. Right guys, it started raining, so I don't want to be up in the air too long now. Really sorry about this, but I'll tell you what, you can see the storm coming in now. Where am I? See it there? And yeah, it's going to have to be an aborted mission, guys. Right, going to bring my drone in. I'll speak to you in a minute on the phone, okay? Get as much in as I can while I'm on my way back. So I was saying about the west stand. You can see it there. It's all flattened out on the top. Is there a technical term for that? I don't know. But yeah, it's all flattened out on top. So there's been quite a lot of work going on there. Yeah, the rain's settling down a touch. Let's see where the storm is. You can see them clouds there. They don't look that bad on the camera. But standing here, they do look bad. Sorry about this, about the rushing here. But yeah, we've got the I don't think there's much to report on the north stand, to be fair. But looking from the ground, the north and south stand look as though, I don't know if they've come up even more, has come round more, I'm not too sure. But it looks like it's all ready to join up soon. I don't mean like in the next couple of weeks, but you know, I reckon earlier in the new year it should be ready for joining up. Yeah, the wind's picking up and getting warnings on my screen for the wind. Just keeping an eye on them clouds. It's a good job I got my low sweeping early. Yeah, right, so I'm going to address the questions on my phone, so I'll show you what I mean when I say it's you can see it over the wall as well, okay, while I'm talking about the comments, okay. So I'm going to bring this down and I'll see it in less than a second on the phone. See you in a minute. Told you, less than a second. So I'm back on terra firma now. So as I was saying about the stand creeping over the wall, you can see it, you know, it's coming up higher. So I'm trying to get that to my eye level. So that's what I'm seeing from my eye level. Okay. See the back of the south stands. You can see that looks like it's coming around more, and the same with the back of the north stands. Okay. If there's any wind interference, I do apologise. I have got the microphone in, but again, it's a bit windy. So yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing from the grounds here. Now I'll address some of these comment while I'm walking around. Yeah, so I've addressed the roof truss. The next part's going to be going on the north-east side, so that's just there on this side. People said that they like the early evening videos, which I want to do tonight, but you know what, I'm really sorry, but the weather is just, you can see the clouds, you couldn't really see it on the zone, but they're not looking the best clouds, are they? So yeah, but I will do more early evening ones because we will get better weather. So that's what I do other grounds like Nottingham Forest new main stand. If I can I will, but it's Nottingham, it's miles away from Liverpool. I will try my best, you know, I might get down there and do something at some point. Okay. Oh yeah, just have a look through past the satellites there, we can see the Dockers clock. People have been asking me to do something on that, a video on that, and what part's going to play in Everton's new grounds. I don't think it's going to play anything in Everton's new grounds, but I have made a video about Peel, their redevelopment of the area, which goes all the way down to the city centre basically. So right down this road past the grounds and just carry on straight to the city centre for those that don't know. And Peel have got plans to redevelop the whole area between the grounds and the city centre, but it's like a 30-year project. So that clock is part of that. That'll probably get refurbed in that. So yeah, not much I can tell you on that front. That's another point. Where will everyone park? Because is the plans to put parking in? Because this is a quiet day now. A very quiet Sunday. And there's too many cars coming along here now. It's gonna be chocker. So on mass day it's gonna be rams. So the parking situation looks like it could be a nightmare down here, unless they've got something in place that people can tell me about. Oh yeah, that blue support there on the south stand, you can see it from ground level. I'm trying to keep this as short as I can as well, because I know that the drone one went on for close on 10 minutes I think. Right, a few more points to cover. Yeah, no, that's it. I've got one more, and that's the white supports that are, which I'll try and, so I'll put it on screen now, the white supports that I mean. Someone's asked, are they going to get away the seats? But someone's already answered the question. I'm walking back with you and just walked into a lamppost. There it is. Someone's already answered the question that they'll be getting removed, they're just temporary. So if I can get them on the screen I will, but even if I can just throw a picture up of what they were on about, I'll put it on for you. But yeah guys, that's it. It's getting dark, then clouds are not looking clever at all, so I want to get home. It's cold, it's windy, and I just walked into a lamppost. So I'll speak to you all soon, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. So I'm back in the car, and just as I got in, look, the rain's coming down. So I've turned that just right. Okay, yeah, speak to you all soon.